Okay, well, I let it work in for about 15 minutes, maybe a little bit less, and started scraping it a bit, and voila, there's really cool grain under here. And my intention is to only strip the crap that they've put on here and not to disturb that grain filler, nor do I want to disturb whatever their sealer coat was back in 1965 or 4. I believe it's lacquer, or maybe they were using polyester if it existed. Some type of vinyl sealer maybe. But I'll let this soak in. And scrape it in about 15 minutes. Stay tuned.